Three secrets of happiness. The ultimate goal of everyone is to be happy. There are various definitions projected by many people. While it is a personal experience also, but the most expected and accepted definition of happiness is the experience of joy, contentment, or positive well-being combined with a sense that one's life is significant, meaningful, and worthwhile. There is no doubt that this is a bit too technical and difficult to understand. But commonly it is said that happiness is a choice, not the result. Nothing will make you happy until you choose to be happy. Your happiness will not come to you. It will come only from within yourself. There are three secrets of happiness which I will explain. I call it the CAP effect. C stands for courage, A stands for attitude, and P stands for performance. Developing courage to face life squarely is the first step. Developing a positive attitude which enables you to make a choice is next. Improving performance in respect of your duty towards your work, your family, and society is the final one. Let me elaborate. Courage. It is the courage to face difficult situations which could be physically intimidating, but more than that, which could cause emotional upheavals. In the first chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, we find Arjun, a brave warrior, succumbs to indecision and depression. He was fully prepared, but looking at his relatives on both sides of the warring armies, his courage goes for a toss. He is not only emotionally disturbed, but also feels physically depleted, totally depleted. He said to Lord Krishna, I am not able to stand on my feet, not able to hold my Gandiv Dhanush, and my hands are trembling. Not only my throat is going dry, but I can't think clearly anymore. How can I fight my elders, my uncles, my grandfathers, my gurus, my teachers, for whom I have great regards and respect? Lord Krishna tells him, it is your duty to fight this righteous war. You are a brave warrior. You have come to perform your duty. You need to control your emotions. We know that Arjun fought the battle as he was made to realize that he should not lose his courage. Likewise, we may come across situations which may be intimidating and complex, but we have to face these bravely in an upright manner. When we live up to the demands of the situation, this is necessary for a brave person with courage. Imagine if Arjun had given way to his emotions and shown his cowardice. Could he ever be happy? Could he ever be respected? The next is attitude. We come to talk about attitude. It is the attitude which affects your choice. A positive attitude will help you to live up to your optimism, which will never allow you to be hurt, your happiness to be diminished. You hold your belief and self-respect. It is your attitude of a lion. Like a lion in a jungle, his confidence will never betray, never cowed down by difficult situations. He chooses to be the leader among the animals of the jungle. His self-respect makes others also respect him. Without doubt, if you are respected, you feel happy. Therefore, attitude is extremely important. It helps you to make the right choice and remain in a happy state. Performance. When we do, whatever we do is monitored by our inner self. We may call it conscience. If we are doing the right thing, our wisdom will surely guide us and tell us that we are on the right track. But when our performance is deficient in our estimation, we feel guilty and it saddens us. And what our conscience tells us? We should perform our duty towards our job, towards our family, and towards humanity at large. For example, if we are not making enough money to meet the needs of the family, it affects their life and our peace of mind. Our relations with the family members are also equally important. These influence our performance, our conduct in the society, and reputation also contributes. If our performance in these areas is satisfactory, we tend to be contented, peaceful, and happy. Therefore, execute CAP, which stands for courage, attitude, and performance, and be happy.